Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Andy in case you're new here, and today I brought you this gorgeous, absolutely beginner friendly crochet earrings tutorial. Today we are going to prepare this blue color one. I have also prepared it in another color just for you to see how it would look like. Also, once you're ready, don't forget to tag me on my other social media platforms such as TikTok or Instagram and show them to me. Don't forget to download my free ebook about the 7 crochet mistakes that beginners do and how to fix them fast. Don't forget to like and hype this video and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials as well. And if you would like to support me with the yarn, you can do it on the Buy Me a Coffee webpage, which I placed the link below this video. So if you're ready, let's get started. We will need to have the following materials for these earrings. I'm going to use a size 2 cotton yarn. This is a scrap yarn, but I have the packaging. The brand name is Trasfere Fiocco, and this is a size 2 cotton yarn. The recommended crochet hook size is 2.5, 3.5 millimeter, and we're going to use a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. We also need to have another crochet hook, which is in my case 0.85. It can be really anything which is smaller and it can fit in the beads. We're going to use two types of beads. One of them is 2 millimeters, and have a look, it has to pass through in the center like this. And the other one is 3 millimeters. We also need to have a yarn needle and also 2 earring hangers. We are going to start by making a magic ring. So have a look. Wrap around the fingers. Then going to insert my finger and pull it through. Rotate it and grab the longer yarn and pull through. Now we are going to pull on the longer yarn and make a smaller loop here, just like this. Insert the crochet hook, tighten. Make sure that the longer yarn is on the left hand side and you have the shorter yarn also on the left. Chain 2, 1 and 2. Now we are going to yarn over and make 15 times double crochets inside the magic ring. So insert. We're going to also crochet over the smaller yarn as well. Insert, pull it through, yarn over, pull through in 2 of the loops, and now yarn over and pull through on the other 2. So this is 1. Pull through, yarn over, pull through in 2, yarn over, pull over in the other 2. So this is 2. We need altogether 15. So yarn over, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14, and the last one, 15. Have a look. This is how it looks like. Now we are going to grab this shorter yarn and pull onto that. Please don't pull completely. We need to leave a space, more or less the size of a circle here in the center, where the bigger size of a bead can fit inside. So I'm just going to leave a little circle here. Then have a look on the top here, going to insert the crochet hook, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. So we just left this little circle here. Now we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and we are going to insert it in the next loop. Have a look, not this one because this is connected to where we are right now, so this is the next. Pull through and make a slip stitch. Chain 2, 1, 2, next stitch, grab the yarn over and make a slip stitch. Chain 2, next stitch, and make a slip stitch. Chain 2, next stitch, slip stitch. Chain 2, next stitch, slip stitch, and we have to carry on doing exactly the same until we reach to the end of this circle. We are just about to reach to the end. I have this second last one more to go, to chain 2, and this is the last one here. Going to insert and make a slip stitch. Now we are going to chain 7, so yarn over, pull through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now have a look at this. We created this kind of loops here, so there is 1 loop here, 2 here, and the third one we insert the crochet hook, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch, just like this. You see, we created this kind of little space here. Now we will need to chain 2, 1, 2, turn the work. And now in this kind of loop we are going to make 14 times double crochets. So yarn over, insert, grab the yarn over, pull through in 2, yarn over, pull through in the other 2. So this was 1. Yarn over, pull through in 2, yarn over, pull through in the other 2. This is 2. This is 3, 4. Important, if you don't have much space, you can just grab this and pull this a little bit on the side. Okay, so this is 5, and then 14. So we created this really nice bottom part, and now we're going to turn the work, pull out slightly. We are going to get the beads. I'm going to grab a smaller crochet hook. In my case it's 0.85. It really doesn't matter. Important that it fits through the hole. I just got one. Going to insert and going to pull through the hole of the bead. Then I'm going to add back my 2.5 millimeter crochet hook, tighten, next chain, going to insert, going to show you from above as well. This is how it looks like. Going to grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Again, pull out. Again, going to grab the next bead. Going to pull it through. Get back the 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. Next chain, insert, grab the yarn, slip stitch, pull out. Next, insert, pull through, get back the other crochet hook, next chain, grab the yarn and slip stitch. So this is exactly how we have to continue until the end of the row, until here. So just continue doing exactly the same way, adding these beads, and I'm going to wait you here at the end. So I just arrived to the end. This is my last bead. Okay, I'm going to insert it in the last chain here. And if you count it, I have added altogether 13 beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Now we are going to chain 1, leave some tail, and we can cut the yarn. Pull out and tighten. We're going to add now the yarn needle. And in the back, we're going to make a couple of stitches. Make sure that it doesn't pass through to the other side, so it won't interfere with the pattern. We want to hide this tail. And I want to make sure that I'm staying between the stitches so it doesn't go through. And then we can cut the excess yarn. Now we have this other excess yarn here. I'm going to add the yarn needle. And going to guide it towards the center of this circle, just like this. Going to remove the yarn needle, grab the smaller crochet hook, going to grab one of these bigger bead, going to pass it through, going to get back the yarn needle, and have a look. Exactly here we entered the circle, and exactly on the other side we are going to insert just like this. Going to want to put it in the center so it would nicely look, and then I'm going to tighten this one now. Pull onto this. You remember it was a magic circle, and like this we are actually tighten this area and it won't get loose. And now we just need to have a couple of stitches. This is the back side where we have like this kind of V stitches. This is the front. So in the back side here gonna make a couple of stitches. And finally, we can just cut the excess yarn. Now we are going to add the earring hanger, so try to put it exactly kind of the center top part, just like this. And once it's done, we're just going to close it. And one of the earring is ready. Don't forget, you have to make another one from this one. So our gorgeous earrings are ready, and I hope that you're happy with the result. I think they turn out really beautiful. Don't forget to tag me on my other social media platforms such as TikTok or Instagram and show them to me. I would love to see how yours turned out. Don't forget to download my free ebook about the 7 crochet mistakes that beginners do and how to fix them fast. Don't forget to like and hype this video and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials as well. And thank you very much for being here with me today. And I hope I'll see you very soon in my next tutorial as well. Take care and see you very soon.